Good morning, students. Yesterday I introduced you to the lesson number 4 of our supplementary reader, that is in the kingdom of fools. You have seen that there was a guru and his disciple. Disciple means the follower. जो लर्नर होता है वो डिसाइपल कहलाता है. So I hope we should begin this lesson. We learned yesterday that a fool person's company can be more dangerous than an idiot. Fine. So we should be very careful in choosing this company of ours. हमें अपनी कंपनी की को लेने के लिए we should be very careful in having the company. Means a person should be very wise enough to deal a person who is fool. अब हमारे साथ कोई फूल पर्सन है तो हमें उससे बिल्कुल डिफरेंटली बिहेव करना होगा. वी शुड बी वाइज enough. So this is the story of a wise guru and his fool disciple. Let's begin the story. So open your books, be ready, come to page number 19. In the kingdom of fools. In the kingdom of fools, both king and the ministers were idiots. See how was the empire, or all the people, means king himself was idiot and his people, his ministers were also idiots. They did not want to run things like other kings. वो चाहते थे हम सबसे चीज़ें कुछ अलग करें, जो दूसरे किंग कर रहे हैं हम उनसे कुछ अलग करें. So they decided to change night into day and day into night. They found it very easy and a simple one to make day as night and night as day. They treated it opposite. They treated night as day and day as night. They ordered that everyone should be awake at night, just think, and till their fields and run their business only after dark. क्या करना है उनको? किंग और उसके मिनिस्टर्स ने अपनी पब्लिक को ऑर्डर दिया दैट they should be awake at night till their fields and run their business only after dark. और रात को तुम्हें जगना होगा और इवन अपना सारा बिजनेस और सारा काम उनको नाइट में करना होगा, जस्ट आफ्टर इट गेट्स डार्क. देन एंड गो टू बेड एज सून एज द सन केम अप. जस्ट थिंक कि उनको ये भी कहा दैट दे शुड गो टू बेड एज द सन राइजेस. जैसे सन राइज होगा उसके बाद आप जाकर सो सकते हो. टिल नाइट यू हैव टू डू द work, you have to run the business, you have to do the agriculture, but everything. Anyone who disobeyed would be punished with death. What was the punishment? Punishment to the death. The one who disobeyed the order would be punished to death. The people did as they were told for the fear of death. लोगों ने किया लेकिन जो डर के मारे they had the fear of death. उन्होंने कहा गया ना कि punishment they would be punished with death. यहाँ preposition क्या आ रहा है? With. They would be punished with death. See, so all did as they were told, and they were told to do the work at night, and no one could dare to disobey the orders. The king and the ministers were delighted at the success of their project. One day, a guru and his disciple arrived in the city. It was a beautiful city. It was daylight, but there was no one about. Everyone was asleep, not a mouse stirring, just to think. Even the cattle had been taught to sleep by day. The two strangers were amazed by what they saw around them and wandered around the town till evening, when suddenly a whole town woke up and went about its nightly business. So, this Guru and disciple, when reached to this city, they were amazed and surprised to see that they could see no one on the streets. No shop was open. They could see nothing. उन्हें कोई चीज़ कोई इंसान ही नजर नहीं आ रहा था. Even not a single animal, not a mouse was moving about. ना एक even एक mouse की भी presence नहीं थी. See, such was the scene. It was very beautiful city, no doubt, but they were surprised to see. But as soon as the day ended, जैसे दिन खत्म हुआ, they saw that everyone came out, started doing his or her business, his or her course of the day. Then even they saw the animals coming out of their places. These two strangers, because they were strangers to this village, this town, and they were now surprised amazingly. They wandered around the town till evening, and now they saw that everyone in the village woke up and came out for the daily business, for the daily activities. They wondered a lot that what kind of this town was. The two men were hungry. Now that the shops were open, they went to buy some groceries. Now, this is the meaning of groceries. Items of food sold in a grocery shop. शॉप पर जो फूड आइटम्स, एडिबल आइटम्स, सामान मिलता है खाने का, जहाँ पर बेचे जाते हैं, वो ग्रोसरी कहलाती है. सो दीज टू मैन वर हंग्री. और अब जब शाम हो गई थी तो शॉप्स खुल गई सारी. सो दीज टू मैन रीच्ड एट दिस प्लेस. To their astonishment, they found that everything cost the same, a single dudu. And to their extreme surprise, they found that everything was at the same cost. Everything was sold at the same cost, a single coin. Dudu means a coin, a currency, money. कन्नड़ लैंग्वेज में उस करेंसी का नाम डुडू, एक कॉइन का नाम, कॉइन को कहा गया मनी. तो वो और ज़्यादा हैरान हो गए दैट एवरीथिंग वाज सोल्ड एट द सेम प्राइस, दैट वाज सिंगल डुडू. जैसे हम पेनी कह सकते हैं, पैसा कह सकते हैं, वहाँ पर डुडू कहा गया. एज इट इज़, एज यू नो दैट इट इज़ अ कन्नड़ टेल, देयरफॉर सच नेम्स आर देयर. वेदर दे बॉट a measure of rice or a bunch of bananas, it cost a dudu. The Guru and his disciple were delighted. They had never heard of anything like this. They could buy all the food they wanted for a rupee. And it was obvious that both of these men, they had never heard of such an economy. चाहे एक बनाना का बंच ले लो, चाहे राइस का पूरा सेट, एवरीथिंग कोस्ट अ सिंगल coin, single dudu. They felt very happy. They were delighted to see such kind of empire where everything was sold such a low price, at the same price, so low and same price. They had never heard of anything like that. And even they could buy all the food for a rupee only. एक रुपये में तो सारा सामान मिल जाता उनको. When they reached, when they had cooked and eaten, the Guru realized that this was a kingdom of fools and it wouldn't be a good idea for them to stay there. That this is no place for us, let's go. He said to his disciple. Now, what happened? When they had cooked the food, at that time there were no restaurants or hotels. So when they had cooked their food and eaten, now Guru realized something. He said to his disciple that it is not a good place. So he told his disciple that they should not stay there, they should go away from there. Because everything was so cheap there. And all he wanted was good, cheap and food. Actually, disciple did not want to leave the place. गुरु को तो लग गया कि यहाँ कोई डेंजर है. But disciple was not interested in living such a place where everything was available at such low price. So all he wanted was good, cheap food. Disciple को क्या चाहिए था? Only cheap and good food. The Guru said, they all are fools. This won't last very long and you can't tell what they will do to you next. Guru was quite wise enough, so he asked his disciple that these people, the people who are living here, even the king and his ministers, all are fool here. They are all fools. यहाँ जो कोई ये सारे मूर्ख हैं. And they won't last long. ये बहुत सिस्टम ये लंबा समय तक नहीं चलेगा. And you can't tell what they will do to you next. Or even they could not. These two men could not predict. Even he could not. Means disciple could not predict what those people would do to him next. Therefore, it was better for them to leave the place.